Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super frustrating problem that many of you might have encountered. A PDF file that just won't open. Whether it's due to corruption, software glitches, or even compatibility issues, I've got you covered with the latest fixes for 2025. This guide is straightforward, easy to follow, and will get your files up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why does this happen? PDFs can get corrupted from incomplete downloads, virus infections, or even outdated software. But don't panic. Most issues are fixable with a few simple steps. Start by trying to open the file with a different PDF reader. For example, if Adobe Acrobat isn't working, switch to free alternatives like Foxit Reader or the built-in Microsoft Edge PDF viewer. Sometimes, it's just a compatibility mismatch. If that doesn't work, let's move to more targeted repairs. One of the best tools in 2025 is Adobe Acrobat's built-in repair feature. Open Acrobat, go to File, greater than, Open, select the problematic PDF, and look for the Repair option in the Tools menu. This can fix minor corruptions automatically. If you don't have Acrobat, head over to online services like SmallPDF or I Love PDF. These websites let you upload your file and repair it with just a few clicks, no software download required. Remember to use reputable sites to keep your data secure. For more stubborn files, try re-downloading the PDF from its original source or restoring it from a backup. Always keep backups. It's a game changer. If you're tech savvy, you could use command line tools like PDFTK on your computer to merge or fix pages, but that's optional for most users. Once your PDF is repaired, double-check it by opening and reviewing the content. And there you have it. Your PDF woes are history. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.